The flu vaccine wasn't born in a hospital, it was born on a battlefield in the middle of World War II. The first widely used flu vaccine was introduced in 1945, marking a major milestone in infectious disease prevention. It was first developed as the result of decades of scientific discovery, and it was heavily influenced by the urgent public health needs of the early 20th century during World War II. In the early 1900s, the flu was poorly understood. The devastating 1918 Spanish flu pandemic, which killed an estimated 50 million people worldwide, underscored the need for better prevention, but also told us how little we knew about the disease. At the time, many scientists incorrectly believed that the flu was caused by bacteria. This all changed in the 1930s when researchers conclusively demonstrated that the flu was caused by a virus and not bacteria. The breakthrough made vaccine development scientifically feasible. In 1933, British researchers successfully isolated the flu A virus in humans, a key step that allowed scientists to begin experimenting with viral inactivation and immune response. By the early 1940s, vaccine research accelerated rapidly due to World War II. Flu outbreaks were a serious threat to military readiness, so the U.S. Army partnered with academic scientists to develop a protective vaccine for soldiers. Dr. Thomas Francis Jr. led much of this research with Jonas Salk, who would eventually be influential in the polio vaccine process. From 1940 to 1941, the first experimental flu vaccines were tested and shown to provide protection against the infection. These early vaccines used inactivated virus, a method that proved safer and more effective than previous approaches. But after further refinement and testing, the vaccine was deemed safe for broader use. In 1945, the vaccine was officially licensed to the United States, becoming the first flu vaccine available to the general public. This marked the beginning of routine flu immunization and laid the foundation for our modern vaccine programs. Almost immediately, researchers recognized that there was a major challenge. The flu virus mutates frequently, and the strains emerge and then could evade immunity, killing earlier vaccines, making it necessary to continually update vaccine formulations, which led to the process that's still used today of reformulating the flu vaccine every year to change strains. And that's a little history about the flu and why you should get the vaccine. And that's a little history about the flu vaccine. With almost 100 years under its belt, I think you can trust it.